Have you ever wondered how some individuals seem to conquer every challenge with ease? Welcome to the world of beasting, a term coined to capture the essence of exceptional performance. In any arena, be it sports, academics, or work, these individuals, these beasts, they excel. They don't merely participate, they dominate. But what if I told you that you too can become a beast? That you can rise above mediocrity and truly excel? Ready to transform and level up? It's time to beast. Step 1 in the journey of beasting: embrace the challenge. You see, challenges are not mere roadblocks on your path to success. Instead, they are opportunities, stepping stones that lead us to become the best version of ourselves. It's time we shift our mindset, transform our perspective. Imagine you're a blacksmith and challenges are the raw iron. With each strike, with each encounter of resistance, the iron doesn't weaken, but it strengthens, taking shape, becoming a formidable sword. Just like that iron, we too, through challenges, forge our resilience, our strength, our character. Challenges are the universe's way of saying, here is your chance to grow, here is your chance to become more. So when a challenge arises, don't shun it, embrace it, welcome it with open arms. Because it's through these challenges, these trials, these tests that we become the beasts we aspire to be. Remember, no challenge, no growth. Embrace it. Step 2 in the journey of beasting: consistent practice. With any endeavor, consistency is the cornerstone of mastery. It is the rhythm of repetition that trains our minds, our bodies, our very beings to excel. Whether you're learning a new language, honing a craft, or attempting to beat your personal best at the gym, the principle remains the same. Consistent practice is the key to unlocking your beast mode. Imagine a river steadily carving its path through the landscape. Over time, the water's constant flow shapes the earth, creating deep valleys and majestic canyons. Similarly, our consistent efforts shape us, refining our skills and forging our character. Each day of practice, each repetition is a drop of water, contributing to the river of our progress. Remember, instant mastery is a myth, a mirage in the desert of self-improvement. The true path to becoming a beast lies in the steady and unyielding pursuit of improvement. Practice doesn't make perfect, it makes permanent. So keep going. To beast is to conquer, to rise, to excel. This journey is not about instant gratification. It's about embracing the challenges that come your way and persisting through them with consistent practice. It's about the resilience to keep pushing even when the road gets tough. It's about the determination to keep growing even when growth seems slow. The path of a beast is one of relentless pursuit of excellence. Remember, the journey of beasting is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep beasting.